Good morning. This doubt is given by Shruti. If we are going to use this identity a plus b a minus b, how we have to solve this? So first of all, change to improper fraction. Everything is there only between this and this. You have to think all according to this. If you will make 3 plus 1 by 3, it will be a 10 by 3. But if you make 3 minus 1 by 3, it is not going to be 4 whole 2 by 3. But if you are going to do 4 minus 2 by 3, it will be 10 by 3. And 4 plus 2 by 3, it will be 14 by 3. It's mean this mixed fraction is having answer. You have to just try to get it. So that's why I change it like this, 4 minus 2 by 3 and this 4 plus 2 by 3. So this is a minus b, a plus b, which is a square minus b square. A is 4, b is 2 by 3. Open it and LCM. This is also given by Shruti for a single discount, successive discount. So first of all, this is the formula. For the successive, when we have more than one discount, okay, and we have to find single discount. Also, this is a single discount formula. Sorry, there was a disturbance, that's why I was just silent. So this is also a formula. So place this formula instead of this selling price. So now this is become a complete formula that we are going to be apply for this question. Okay, this is for successive and this is for simple interest. So put the value of simple interest over here in the form of formula only. Either you can take your MP as X or you can leave MP as MP. There is no problem. This is not compulsion that you have to convert your MP in the form of X. Okay. So cancel MP with MP because MP mark price is 1. Place the value. D1 is 40. D2 is 5. Here is no value of D because we have to find this. You can take LCM. 100 minus D upon 100. Here I just cut 4 upon 100, but here I have not cancelled. Why? There is a motto behind it. Because we can cancel, but we can see on the left hand side the denominator is also 100. So it's better to cancel it directly in the coming step. Okay. So this is up to you. If you want to cancel, you can. But as because here is also 100, so we should leave it. So now this is 2 by 5. So 5 ones are 5 and this minus 2 and 100 ones are 100 minus 5. So this is 5 minus 2, 3 by 5 and this is 95 by 100. So 100 cancel with 100. Okay, and 5 19s are. Fine, 100 say 100, we can cancel. So that's why I have not simplified here. Okay, now 100 minus D is equal to 57 and then we get the normal value of D. These are the doubt given by Shreya. So this is, I think, one of the question from your book only. So I take it. Z minus 1 upon Z is 6. I have chosen the second part first because in your book this is first part, this is second part, but I place it as one. So not a big deal. So Z minus 1 by Z. We need Z square. How we can get Z square? Only by squaring. So squaring both sides. A minus B whole square. So A square plus B square minus 2AB is equal to 36. You have to see this part very carefully. This is single, only 2. Fine. Now this is only 2 after the cancellation. Okay. It's only 2. Just relate this situation in the coming step. Okay, so now minus 2, when you will move this, it will be plus 38. This is your first answer. Second, we have to find Z square plus 1 upon Z square. Z plus 1 upon Z. How we can find Z plus 1 upon Z? If I want Z plus, then I have to add 2. If I want minus, then I have to subtract 2. Every time you have to add or subtract only and only 2, none other number. Depend upon situation. If there is plus, you have to add. If there is a part of minus, then you have to subtract. So add 2. So You have to add both side, not only single side. So add 2, ठीक है. 32 plus a. Now just see, मैंने यहाँ पे क्या बोला था. This is only 2, but in actually this is z minus 1 upon z का whole square. So similarly, this is only 2. It means this is z plus 1 upon z whole square. Because z, if I write it like this, z square plus 1 upon z square plus 2 into z upon 1 upon z is equal to 40. So there is no difference between this and this, because z cancel with z and only 1 remain. So it means this is z plus 1 upon z whole square. After this, square changes to square root and you can open. Fine. Now the last part is find z raised power 4 plus 1 upon z raised power 4. Again you have to use the first part. Z raised power 4 only we can get by the squaring. So squaring both side. A square plus b square plus 2ab. It's again going to be cancelled. This is plus 2. It is going to be minus, and your required answer. Hope so it is clear now. Problem given by Jaydeep is page number 93, question number, example number 5 and 6. So if the cost price of 10 article is equal to the selling price of 8 article, find the gain or loss. Okay. So you can write, means you can solve this without using x also. You can write the cost price, selling price of 8 is equal to cost price of 10. Simple. Then you can write this step, selling price is greater than cost price. So gain is 10 minus 8, 2. If you don't want to use x. So gain percent, gain. Just only you have to think, you are not supposed to use this cost price. You have to use this selling price. Selling price, the value of selling price as cost price, because this is equal to the cost price. So 2 upon 8 into 100, just cancel, and 25% is your required answer. I just want to say there is no need to use x. You can simple do without x. By selling 33 meters of cloth, one gain selling price of 11 meter. Find the gain percent. ठीक है. Gain on selling price. Selling price of 33 meter minus cost price of, obviously if selling price is greater to the cost price, so it's mean the person is getting gain. Okay. So what he said, selling price of 11 meter, selling price of 11 meter, that is the difference again too. You can skip this point also. You can use directly this point. Cost price of this is selling price of 33 minus selling price of 11. So 33 minus 11 is 22. So that's why cost price of 22 you can write is as x, और आप leave भी कर सकते हो, ऐसे ही छोड़ सकते हो. And you can use here only gain. Gain is 11. 11 upon, you have to use this as cost price. 11 upon 22 into 100. ठीक है. There is no need to use x. Simple you can write. देखो, you can write only this step. This selling price minus cost price, that is 33 minus 22 is equal to 11, and cost price of 33 is equal to selling price of 22. First step, this is second step, and this is third step only. And no need to use x. You can solve as it only. 11 upon 22 into 100 and 50%. Okay. No need to use x. After this is the question. I think this is a mental math of chapter 6. If a% of b is b% of dash, so dash means what number? Okay. A% means a upon 100, of means multiply, b is means equal to, b% means b by 100 into of means multiply required number. So b cancel with b, 100 cancel with 100, so number is only a. This is the way to solve. Okay. Again, a% of b means a upon 100, of means multiply, b is means equal to, b% means b upon 100 into what number means you have to find this number. B cancel with b, 100 cancel with 100, so number is a. Okay, this doubt is, I think, also given by Shreya. If a plus b is 8, ab is 15, find a square plus b square. So you have to start here a plus b. So squaring, because we need a square plus b square, it's mean we have to do square. So squaring both sides, so a plus b whole square is equal to 8 square. So a square plus b square plus 2ab is equal to 64. Put the value of ab as 15, that is given. So 15 to the 30. Subtract it on the right hand side and you will get your required answer. Only you have to open this a plus b whole square, and after this you have to place the value of ab. If there are 600 roses, out of them 12% are damaged, find the good one. So first of all you have to find the 12% of 600. So this much is damaged and remaining are good one. How we will get the remaining? By doing subtraction. Okay, this is one more question. 3y plus 5 into 3y minus 5 into 9y square plus 25. You have to identify the formula of a plus b, a minus b, and for the time being leave it. So a plus b, a minus b is a square minus b square, that is 9y square minus 25. Now you have to use this. Again this is a formula a minus b, a plus b. So again using formula a minus b, a plus b. So a square, it's been 9y square ka whole square, and b square means 25 ka whole square. So this is 81y raised power 4 minus 625. It's mean you have to use 2 times formula. First of all, no need to touch it, solve it. A plus b, a minus b, that is a square minus b square. Again now you can correlate this bracket, as because they are also making a they are also creating a formula. Again a minus b, a plus b, because the value of ab is same and only the sign is different. So this is also identity. So a square, a is total 9y square ka whole square, so 25 square. This is doubt given by Divyanshi. Question number 4, exercise 27. You have two coins, then head, tail, head, tail. Exactly one head, so we need only one head. Okay, so 2 by 4. At least one tail, एक टेल होनी चाहिए, तो वो हेड टेल में भी है, टेल हेड में भी है, टेल टेल में भी है. So that's why 3. No tail, तो नो टेल ओनली हेड हेड में हुआ, सो दैट्स वाई 1 by 4. एट मोस्ट वन हेड, यानी एक तो हो और वो कंडीशन भी हो जहाँ पर वो है ही नहीं. ठीक है, सो दैट्स वाई वी कैन नॉट टेक हेड हेड, सो वी कैन टेक टेल टेल. ओके, एट मोस्ट मतलब जहाँ पर उसकी पॉसिबिलिटी नहीं भी है, हमें वो भी लेनी है. सो दैट्स वाई 3 by 4. If anyone having any doubt, please let me know. I will send you the solution in the form of video. Also, please do the practice all the PDF given by me for the revision work. Practice all your tests and do the classwork questions. Look at the example also. Thank you.